Okay, let's move to our Aquarius. So, dalawa na lang po guys. Pasensya na sa mga naghintay po. Pasensya na kayo. And salamat din po sa mga nag-follow sa akin dito. And also pa-follow na din po ako sa aking Facebook account. Thank you. And this is a personal reading for Aquarius sa March of 2026. And this is Sun, Moon, Rising, as well as Venus placement. Tignan natin yung energy ni Aquarius for March. So, astrology, sa March 3, makakabayad ka na daw ng mga utang mo. Sabi dito ni astrology. And magkakaroon ka ng mga partnership sa business or romantic man yan. So, ito na yung maabot mo na yung financial crossroad mo. So, yung lucky mo, planet moves forward in your 5th house, creative block, dissolve, no? Wow. Your dating life or relationship with children gets a major boost, Aquarius. And then on March 18, focus on personal finances, no? Fresh starts for your income, great for setting a new budget or rising your rate, no? And for March 21st, clarity, self-worth ang kailangan. Any confusion regarding on your bank account or value from early March begins to resolve. Maayos mo na yung mga problema mo sa pera, no? Kung ano man yung mga problema mo sa finances mo. Alright, let's see your energy for our Aquarius. Aquarius, please. Kita mo yan? Kita mo yan? Oh, wow. Okay. So, you have the 10 of Pentacles lang naman. You have the 3 of Wands. And you have the Temperance. Okay. So, mas maganda i-clarify natin dito sa way na no? Na mas makikita natin ang iyong. Okay, for Aquarius, 3 of Wands. Material, no? Material nga ito. Material. So, you have the Devil card, materialism, addiction, no? Ingat dyan. You have 7 of Wands, which is completion. May matatapos ka, mayroon ka. Parang ito nga yung breakthrough mo eh. Sinasabi din sa astrology, no? And you have the anxiety, 9 of Swords. Anxiety, masyado kang iniisip mo, marami kang iniisip, no? Mentally, no? So, you may be worrying about situation a little bit too much. Tama. When in reality, it isn't as bad as you think it is. Yan ang ibig niyang sabihin. Nakatingin sa malayo, medyo sobra yung pag-iisip mo sa bagay na hindi naman ganun kalala daw. Okay? And then, let me clarify the Temperance. Temperance for our Aquarius. Okay. So, you have 10 of Swords and you have the Magician. Wow. Pareha sila. The Magician. So, you have the may pagka-stubbornness daw yung iyong energy. May pagka-stubbornness, no? Pero, i-release mo to para matapos na yung ganitong bigat ng energy mo, no? You should be mindful of not making yourself into trouble, no? Because of yung mga ganong bagay means you're hit rock bottom. From here on out, there's nowhere else to go but up. Wala ka nang ibang pang dadaanan kundi umakyat ka lang na umakyat, huwag ka na daw babalik, no? So, release mo na yun. And you have the Magician, which is manifesting, okay? So, skill, gamitin mo yung skill, diplomacy, and self-confidence, no? You have the spiritual, fire, physical, earth, mental, air, and emotional, water, no? Resources to manifest your desire. Wow. Manifestation. Manifestation. Okay, so you have the Ten of Pentacles. Ooh. Ten of Pentacles. Let's see. Sorry po. Muntikan ko na magkamali ng ating card. Okay. So, yan. Kasi nga, nandyan na si Pluto sa iyong house. Nandyan si Pluto sa iyong house. Alam mo ba yon, Aquarius? Nakakainis. So, you have the Tower, no? Ang arte nun. Ang arte nung part na yon. May mga disaster ka, na mga na-stress ka, ng mga panahon na yon, mga ganung bagay. Meron, parang may mga loss ka, maybe loss of job, maybe medyo shinake ng konti yung iyong parang patient, no, yung iyong kaluluwa. No? Pero, no, don't worry because na ikaw pa rin ay isang leadership at lagi ka nasa action, no? Ready to action, no? And then kailangan mo, ikaw ay isang you love system, no? Gusto mo ng good system. So you have the Judgment here, which is change of position or change na outcome, no? Ikaw na ang bahalang resolbahan yun, mga ganung eksena sa iyong buhay. And then, you have the Ten of Pentacles. Dalawa yan. Confirmation with this one and Ten of Pentacles. Diba? Ten of Pentacles na yan. May Ten of Pentacles ka pa sa iyong clarification. Which is wealth, success, and establishment. Sana all. Okay? This means you are able to turn your family, you and your family now able attention to the provide for them, no? Kaya mo daw mag-provide sa mga family mo, sa sarili mo, no? And do your part to ensure their brighter future, no? Success, establishment, and wealth. Whew! Whew! Ito na ang iyong matagal na hinintay, Aquarius. Okay, so dito tayo, the moment of truth of my psychic journey. Let me psychic. Tama ba yun? Let me psychic the Three of Wands of our Aquarius. Alright. Daming sinabi, no? Alright, let me see. You have the, stuck sa routine, over caution. Tama talaga. Tama talaga. Kung naalala mo yung mga sinabi ko dito kanina sa yung Three of Wands, ha? Naalala mo yan. Oh, ito. Stuck sa routine and over caution. Tama talaga yung ano ko ba? Yung utak ko talaga when it comes sa ganito. Perfectionism minsan. At over-analyzing. No? Parang over-caution and over-analyzing nga. Itong card na to. And also, meron ditong materialism, no? Materialism and self-centered, no? Sakit pakinggan itong mga words na to kasi talagang ito yung mga negative din minsan eh. And madamot and hindi maaasahan. So, ingatan mo to. Say no ka dyan. Huwag kang ganyan. Okay, so, dito naman tayo kay Ten of Pentacles. Okay. So, you have marunong mag-handle ng sitwasyon o usapan. Very Aquarius. Very Aquarius. Wise but smart. Smart talaga ang mga Aquarius, no? Supportive. A. Balance. A. Isa pa. Last one. And you have good at time management. Whew! Ganda. Ganda B. Ganda B. Wala nang time. Bigyan kita ng angel, no, not angel, animal protector. So, personal choice. O, ikaw nang bahala mamili daw. Personal choice mo to. Screenshot mo, basahin mo yung ano, ha, yung nakasulat. So, sana all personal choice ng divine mo, no, ng iyong sariling protection. Ikaw nang bahala daw. So, that's your reading, Aquarius, and see you in my next video.